Colonel May's personal scientist discovered something peculiar about the asteroid. One scientist shouted, "There must be something alive in that asteroid because we detected living heat." Everyone agreed and informed the colonel, who had just arrived on time to uncover the mystery. Colonel May watched his subordinate analyze the giant asteroid and saw an enormous being come out of it. May said, "This is the big threat to Earth. I must tell the government." At Gala, the view from above was magnificent, but no one knew that Alice's camping activity was near the asteroid. All the students were so happy with the view. Teacher Selina assigned everyone to their campmates. Alice and Mary were in the same camp. Yet Alice asked the teacher if she could sleep alone. Teacher Selina, who understood the situation, allowed this. But Mary thought Alice was a mean girl who thought she was better than everyone. Alice noticed Mary and her friends might have something to talk about her, but she tried not to care.